Use proper function to change text from uppercase to proper case. Select row 2, then right click it, choose insert rows. Cell A2, type proper A1, press enter. Hover the bottom right corner of cell A2, drag the fill handle across to the last column. Select row 2, then press Ctrl C. Select row 1, right click and choose paste option values. Select row 2, right click it and choose delete rows. Use upper function to change text from proper case to uppercase. Select column AG, then right click, choose insert column in cell AG1, type generation. In cell AG2, type upper AH2, press enter. However, the bottom right corner of cell AG2 and double click the fill handle. Select column AG, then press Ctrl C. Select column AH, right click and choose paste option values. Select column AG, right click it and choose delete column. Use lower function to change text from proper case to lower case. Select column AC, T underscore type, then right click, choose insert column in cell AC1, type T underscore type. In cell AC2, type lower bracket AD2, then press enter. Hover the bottom right corner of cell AC2 and double click fill handle. Select column AC, then press Ctrl C. Select column AD, right click and choose paste option values. Select column AC, right click it and choose delete column. Change date formatting. Select column Z, order ship date. On the home tab in number group, click number format, more number format. In the category list, select date. In the format cell box under local, select English United States. Under type, select Wednesday, March 14, 2012 and click OK.